Hi everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to post on Threads. In this video, I will be taking you through the steps of creating a post and sharing it with others on the app. To create a post on Threads, start by opening the app and tapping on the Notebook and Pen button on the home screen. Next, you will be taken to the post creation screen. Here, you can enter your post title and description. Make sure your title and description accurately convey what your post is about. This will help other users find and engage with your post. You can also add images or videos to your post by tapping on the camera icon. Adding media to your post can make it more engaging and increase the chances of other users interacting with it. Once you are happy with your post, click on the Post button to share it with others on the app. And that's it. You have successfully created a post on Threads. Your post will now appear in the app's post feed, where other users can like, comment on, and share it. One thing I like about Threads is how easy it is to create and share posts. The app's interface is intuitive, and the process of creating a post is quick and simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.